Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop, and welcome to issue number 63 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP by our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build this for yourself, follow this link here all the way to the Fanhome website, where you can take out a subscription for this 1/3 scale ROBOCOP, which is about 2 foot tall, folks. So let's have a scoot through the magazine. You've got the history of ROBOCOP section there. The ninja robot may have been a homage to the manga artist, absolutely. He's looking rather frightened there, isn't he? This was from ROBOCOP 3. Didn't quite do as well as the other two movies of the franchise, I must admit. Today we're going to be putting in the speaker into the chest piece that we had previously, which is this, okay? And we was asked to keep this to one side, and we're going to be fitting the speaker in there today. So there you go, folks. I've been keeping that in its little protective case. So we got the speaker retainer and a couple of EP screws. Nice simple issue this one this week, folks. Pretty straightforward. Couple of screws to retain the speaker in place, and then we'll put it back in its container ready for the next issue, folks. And this is where it's going to sit in your ROBOCOP, right up behind them two chest panels, folks. So yeah, we're getting to that stage. It's taking shape, isn't it? Next, you got the logistics of online sales. This is all the warehouses, the Amazon warehouse there of all the robots and everything. They actually do tours of these warehouses. And been in distribution myself when I used to work. I may have gone on the tour because it was kind of cool, and it was just nice to see how things have been progressing. So yeah, looking good. This is digital payments of all the what's his names now, but contactless cards and things like that. So yeah, it's really changed, isn't it? And I can see people ending up with rings or wristbands with a chip in that's got all their details on, and just beep, you know, or like you say, in the watches. It's going to happen. So yeah, I think the wallet is available on certain watches now, and it's their dream of a cashless society. So is it going to happen? I think it will, to be quite honest with you. I mean, I cannot remember the last time I used cash. So yeah, there you go. So look into the future, digital money. It's going to be a thing, I think. I think printed currency and metal currency is going to be a thing of the past. Anywho, let's get our bits and pieces out, ready to assemble so that we can put this chest panel together. So we'll bring in our chest panel there. Looking rather splendid. Just make sure there's nothing on the bench. Mind you, it's going to be covered anyway. And then we get a little speaker unit. Now, don't be tempted to press the speaker unit, folks. Leave it alone. Don't press it, because you will damage it. And then this is going to sit in there like so. Okay. At a jaunty little angle is how they're saying it's going to go. So that's how it's going to go. We then want our little retaining bracket, and that's going to sit just on top there. Now you want it with these little notches facing downwards, okay? Because you want them to engage into the tops of them posts, just like so. Nice little resounding click as they engaged. And then we're going in with a couple of EP screws today, peeps. Let's get one of those on the end of the screwdriver ready. And we'll put a drop of oil on. Like that. And then we'll hold that in place with our thumb and send the screw in place. Just like so. Screw it fully home. And then we'll do the same with the other side like that. There you go. Same with this side. engage that in place and fully tighten her home. And that's that speaker in situ now and retained, and we're just going to leave it like that until we come over to the next stage. But as you can see, with that in place, the speaker then will send its sound forward out of the chest panel, so you'll be able to hear your RoboCop audio files from in front of where he is stood. So that's where we're going to leave that today, folks. That's what you're going to have completed. So if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link here to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable version in the description below. Pop. That will take you to the website and you can take out a subscription, be building along with me. Also, to help me out, see what I did there? To help me out, click the little festa in the corner there. Head over and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the button just below. That helps me grow the channel. Also, whilst you're there, click the bell, select all, and you'll get future notifications of upcoming content. Until then, stay safe and well. Thanks for coming in and keeping me company. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now. Look at it.